Hi there. I wanted to share with you quickly one of my biggest pet peeves, and that is whining or whinging, we say in Australia. It's definitely a human trait that I don't appreciate very much. And the reason why I'm sharing this here is because I feel like it's so important for business owners, for us right now, to focus on what we can control. There's so much that we have no control over. We really don't know what's going on with the pandemic. We don't know how our economy is going to go. We have different countries here watching, and every country is slightly different, every region is different. We don't know the rules, we don't know how much the government is going to do for small business. And so rather than focusing on the things that we can't control, it's so important to focus on the things that we can control. So how about maybe right now we take a minute only to whinge, to focus on the things we can't control. Like, let's say I can say, oh, I really miss my Swiss people, I can't go home, and what else can I whinge about? It's difficult, it's challenging, every day is uncertain. We're trying to keep everyone employed here, and it's hard and it's annoying, and this pandemic is affecting a lot of people. And yeah, so I don't know, I don't have more to whinge about, because I'm just not a very big whinger, but let's just get it out. So if you have anything that you want to whinge about, get it out, whinge, or whine, and then get back to focusing on what you can control in your business. And there's so much that you can control. And I can see really the difference between businesses. And here, of course, at Basic Balance, we get to work with so many different businesses every single week. And I can see business owners that are focusing on the stuff that they can't control. And it's really bogging them down, sometimes almost into not being able to move, into stuckness. And then I'm seeing businesses that are going, okay, yeah, I know that this is a difficult time, and I'm going to focus on exactly what I can control. So, what can you control? Well, one thing that I can control personally is I can't see my Swiss family, and I miss them, and my friends over in Europe, but I can call them. I can send them letters. They take forever to arrive, but I can call, I can send letters, I can do video calls. Also in your business, what can you control? You can call, for example, you can get on the phone more, you can call your past clients, you can call future customers, you can hustle more, you can call people and see how you can add value and create movement. In business, always when you do something, at least just something every day, even when you don't feel like it. Let's say if you pick up the phone every day and you call 10 people, even just to check in or to say hi or to offer value, it will create motion. And that's what you need, rather than staying stuck. Or maybe you can focus on updating your website right now to make it more user-friendly, something you can control. Maybe you can learn how to market better in this economy. Maybe you can use social media better. People are online. People are more online now. People are using social tools more now than before this pandemic. Maybe you can do some video clips like this, where you can share your knowledge on YouTube, because again, more people are watching videos now. So what can you control, and can you take advantage of that rather than focusing on what you can't control? I just love this life motto so much, and I think it's a very valuable and useful way to go about business right now. So hopefully you find this really helpful too. So have a quick whinge party if you want, and then come back to focusing on what you can control. And as always, thank you for being here. We love sharing these tips with you weekly now. We have also upped our ante, I think that's what you say in English, and we are just super focused on providing value to you. And if you like these clips, please feel free to share them with anyone that would benefit from it. So maybe somebody who needs a pep talk. And we'll see you again on the next one. Thanks for being here. Bye.